Okay, Advent of Code, day 7. Let's see. Seem to be live. That's nice. I reduced the quality because it was causing too much trouble and I would like to focus on the problem and not the streaming part. Oops. As I say this, I unplug my keyboard like a retard, so that's always nice. Raids. Day 7. That's hot. I made tea. Camel cards. Your all expenses paid trip turns out to be a one-way 5-minute ride in an airship. At least it's a cool airship. It drops you off at the edge of a vast desert and descends back to Island Island. Did you bring the parts? You turn around and see the elf completely covered in white clothing, wearing goggles and riding a large camel. Did you bring the parts? She asks again, louder this time. You are unsure what parts she's looking for. You're here to figure out why the sand stopped. The parts! For the sand! Yes! Come with me. I will show you. She beckons you onto the camel. Beckons? I have no clue what that means. After riding a bit across the sands of Desert Island, you can see what looks like a very large rocks covering half of the horizon. The elf explains that the rocks are all along the part of Desert Island that is directly above Island Island, making it hard to even get there. Normally they use big machines to move the rocks and filter the sand, but the machines have broken down because Desert Island recently stopped receiving parts. They need to fix the machine. Okay, you've already assumed it'll be your job to figure out why the parts stopped when she asks if you can help. You agree automatically, of course, why not? Because the journey will take a few days, she offers to teach you the game of camel cards. Camel cards is sort of similar to poker, except it's designed to be easier to play while riding a camel. Alright. Just read. I need to upgrade my internet, I think. Oh well. Riding a camel cards, you get a list of hands, and your goal is to order them based on the strength of each hand. A hand consists... Wasn't there already this kind of problem last year? There was a poker-like thing with the hands combination. A hand consists of 5 cards labeled 1 of AKJT and digits. The relative strength of each card follows the order. This order where A is the highest and 2 is the lowest. Every hand is exactly one type. From strongest to weakest, they are 5 of a kind, the same, 4 of a kind, full house, 3 of a kind, 2 pairs, 1 pair, high card. Okay. Hands are primarily ordered based on type. For example, every full house is stronger than any 3 of a kind. Hands are primarily ordered based on type. For example, every full house is stronger than any. Okay. Oh, ok, d'accord. Yeah, I understand. So this is stronger than all of those, no matter which cards are in those. If two hands have the same type, a second ordering rule takes effect. Start by comparing the first card in each hand. If these cards are different, the hand with the stronger first card is considered stronger if the first card in each hand has the same label, however they move considering the second card. If they differ, second card, okay. Okay. So 3 and 2A are both 4 of a kind hands, but 3 is stronger because its first card is stronger similarly. And are both full houses. Full house? This? I don't know. Full house, where 3 cards have the same label. Share a different label. Okay. Okay. To play camel cards, you are given the list of hands and their corresponding bit you're positioning put. For example, this. This example shows 5 hands each, for its bid amount. Each hand wins an amount equals to its bid multiplied per rank. I'm confused and a bit sleepy. So, okay, that's good width. Let's zoom in a bit and clip this to example 7, please. And just put this here, and we do package main, and let's do from this guy OSFMT. Probably we'll need strings as well, and I will definitely need main and this up. Alright, so let's parse the thing. I will probably also need strconf. And so a hand is just a list of cards, and a card is an enum of. I mean, does it need to be an enum? I guess it can just be a character, that's fine. And so we do hands is a dynamic list of 5 cards. And a card is, as I said, just a character. I guess rune will be easier. And then bits is just a dynamic list of numbers. Do I need to add this? And then I do for line in string split lines iterator of s. We do this, we do this, and wonder if I have to make it. Not really. I think it's okay. I do probably have to defer, delete hands, and defer, delete bits. And let's do hand this and bit string and hand string. And actually an array of 5 rune is just a string. It's fine as well. So let's just do this, and strings partition line, and the separator is just a space. And then we do wonder if we need to do this, but we do happens hands and we happen a hand, and we do also happen bits, and we happen str conf atoy bit string like this. Okay, let's start reading again. Maybe just make sure I have the correct inputs of hands and bids. That seems to be, yes, what I want. Yep, alright. Is my tea still scorching hot? Yes, it is. This example shows 5 hands. Each hand is followed by its bid amount. Each hand wins an amount equal to its bid multiplied by its rank. How do you compute the rank? Where the weakest hand gets rank 1, the second weakest hand gets rank 2, and so on up to the strongest hand. Because there are 5 hands in this example. Ah, okay, the rank of all of those. Okay. So because there are 5 hands in this example, the strongest hand will have rank 5, and its bid will be multiplied by 5. Okay, so the first step is to put the hands in order of strength. Is 1 pair, okay. Now you can determine the total winning of this set of hands by adding up the result by multiplying each hand's bid. Find the rank of variance. Okay, it's just we have to implement the sorting function and sort the hand by rank. So what I will do is first group the hands and the bids into a struct so that I can sort the bids with the hand. It will be easier to implement, I think. So I just do hand, I don't know. I do. Let's just call it hand, whatever. Struct, and it's actually just cards, which is a string, and bit, which is an int. And now hands is just a hand like this. That can go away, and we open the hands of hand and this up, and this doesn't exist anymore. Okay, that's what I want. And now let's search if there is oh, that's why. Okay. Okay, thank you. So I need slices. I need slice sort. This. Sort by. That sounds exactly what I want. Sort by compare. Given a procedure to test whether two values are ordered. This sort is not guaranteed to be stable. What is the difference between sort by and sort by compare? Ah, it returns an ordering. Okay. Yeah, in my case, I can use less. Sort by indices allocate. Indices by key. So. Sort by with indices. Yeah, now that I see that there is a indices thing, I could have kept the two lists, but doesn't matter much. Alright, let's just do sort by. And we do we have to import slice, and we do slice sort by and it's ends, and we not autocomplete. That's unfortunate. It takes an I and a J. Okay. Are I and J they are of type T, so I and J are actually elements, not indices. Can we just say H1, H2? That's fine, right? And it returns bool. And we need to return if H1 is less than the other guy. And I'm guessing, can we return just true all the time? Can I determine polymorphic type from parameter dynamic hand this. Alright. Print ln of hands. Okay, and let's print it before. And let's just do for h in hands. Do like this, because I just want to slightly clean print. Oops. Up. This. Right, that's good. So, how do I implement this? I need to get the... I need to get the class. Did they call that the class of the thing? Type. Okay. Let's just create a function that returns the type, and type is a proc that takes, I mean, it could take a hand, but we don't care. Let's just say it takes a string, because that's what takes a count. And so, yeah, count type. I forgot again that we're in Odin and not Go, and it just returns I guess it can just return an int. We could go into enumerations and so on to say it's a flush or that's a full house, but I don't think we need to care. So highest one is 5 of a kind, where all 5 cards have the same label. Okay, that's easy enough. Is there an every or all? We go search all of. It sounds like something I like. All of some value. That does sound any. So we do slice all of, and we do cards, and we do cards 0. If this, then we return, I don't know, how many cards type is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, I want to play with enums a little bit, and I would like to maybe just convert an enumeration to integers. So it's this, and the first one is the lowest one. Okay. So let's do cards type is an enum of let me get the web page. So there is the lowest one, high card, 1 pair, 2 pair, there is 3 of a kind, there is full house, there is 4 of a kind, and there is 5 of a kind. It needs to return cards type, and this returns 5 of a kind. Again, do I need to do like this? No. Is there like a strings all of? I doubt there is, but strings all. Nope, there isn't. Can't I just convert this to like rune? Nope. Wasn't there like string conversion version? Implicit conversion. Is there a string in there? Nope. String type conversion, converting string to X. So I want this, and I do transmute. Do I want this? No, I want this. No, I want this. UTF-8 string to runes. And I'm gonna guess I'm gonna do a lot of this, so let's just already do it like this. Yeah. I guess I could do just a 5 also. And here we need to do, is it called UTF? I need to import a new package. UTF-8, and here. Oh no, I want to wrap that into UTF-8, and it's string to runes. Oh, whoop, what is it? It's UTF-8. Where is UTF-8? UTF-8. In which? Sorry. Unicode UTF-8. Unicode. Was it like this? Okay, there is. That's a bit messy. Let's see. Cannot assign value hand of type string to. Oh fuck. Yeah, my bad. My bad. Hop. This goes away. Quelle est la assume value of type room to ce struct littéral? It's unfortunate. Yeah. I guess that it can be a slice, whatever. Or even if it's always 5. Okay. And so cards are not this. This is a rune thing. 5 of a kind, and we can do using cards to import all of that. Actually, I think I read we can do this. Because if it's declared in the upper scope, it's automatically bringed in somehow. I don't know. High card. I guess it is gonna be one pair. No, it's gonna be high card. Okay. So 5 of a kind. Then see, there is 4 of a kind where 4 cards have the same level, but okay. Is there a slice count by any chance? Boom, 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 boom. So, core slice count. There is. That's nice. And we count with values. Okay. If slice count of cards. Yes, that's. Boom, 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 boom. Actually, I could generalize this a bit by just making a map. Cards counts is a map of that goes from a rune to an int. We initialize it like this, and we do 4 card in cards. Cards counts. We do card. And if it exists, can we do v? Okay, like in Go. Oh yeah, I saw this. We can do C like this, and we do or else 0. And then we do poke, pick, poke, poke, pick, poke, poke, pick, poke, poke. Actually, we can abbreviate this by doing this +1 and doing this, this, up. And it's not a declaration. Yep, and we do here instead, we do and can we get the map values? Values? Map values. Let's go. So we just get map values and it returns a list of values. That's good. So we do slice actually map values of cards count. And we do just call it C's. If len C's is equal to 1, and I mean that's a bit the same, but just to make sure, C0 is yes, is equal to 5. We know it's a 5 of a kind. Otherwise, if this is of length 2 and C0 is equal to 4, again that's or C1 is equal to 4, it's 4 of a kind. I think that's it. Yes. Then full house map value. I cannot map value. Okay, there is like this. That's strange. Map values. It's an allocation error. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't know. If there is an allocation, I want to just OS exit. Huh? Okay, so 4 of a kind, then there is full house. 3 cards have the same label, and the remaining 2 cards share a different label. Okay, so it's 3 and 2. So it's still a length of 2 types of card, and then there is like I mean, there is no other way. We don't really need to count them. It's like full house here. Because if we already have this and the length of the count is there is only 2 values of cards count, it's automatically a full house. Yeah. Otherwise there is 3 of a kind, 2 pair, 1 pair, high card. Ah man, it's a great feeling when you make tea too hot and then you wait too long and now it's too cold. Let's go. Three of a kind. And so now we know that if it's of length 3 and slice any of these is equal to 3, we know that it's 3 of a kind. Next, if so there is 2 pair, which means that there is still 3 different types minimum. Yeah, otherwise it would be 4 of a kind if it's the same. So yeah, it's still 3. And there is like 2 and 2. Actually, isn't this the only possibility and I don't need anything else? That's like 2 pair. Because if the type are the same, it's a 4 of a kind, and if there is only 3 types of card, the possible arrangement are like either 3 are similar and 2 are different, or like there is 2 and 2 and 1. Which is either 3 of a kind of 2 pair. Yes. Then 1 of a kind is 4 different. Yes. And if there is 4 that are different, you definitely know that one of them is this. Yeah. 1 pair, and otherwise it's high card. Alright, let's actually run this. Oops. Like this, and I do in the prints cards type of each card. So 1 pair for this one, which is correct. 3 of a kind, which is correct. 2 pair. Yes, that's correct. 2 pair. That is correct. 3 of a kind. Yes, that is correct as well. Okay. And then, can we convert that to an integer? We can. And that also makes sense, because the higher number means higher thing. Yes, okay. I'm not sure it works with 4 of a kind, 5 of a kind, and high card, or if the card type are equal, like those two. Oh no, I have a test for those. All right. Let's sort by each one cards type is equal to cards type of each one cards. Let's do the same thing for H2. And then we do if H1 cards type is below H2 cards type. No, it's different. It's different like this. We can return H1 cards type below h2 cards type. Otherwise, let's return false, just like this. And has he sorted them well? So this is a one pair, and this QQ thing is Joaquin, which is the higher. And then there is T something. And I think... and the two pairs are... I don't know what is Q. So yeah, by luck it is well sorted, but if I turn this to a true, it is not well sorted because these ones like the... No, actually this is... Yeah, but this is not well sorted, I think, because the Q is supposed to be at the end. So if it's not true, we do Can we do just basic, very basic loop, just I is equal to 1 for while h1 cards I is equal to this two cards and I below 5. Let's just generalize by doing h1 cards. And we just do I plus equals to 1. And yeah, I don't need anything else. I guess I can put this here. Oops. Okay. Maybe there is a cleaner way to do this, but I don't really care. So while it's equal, just continue. And we do assert I is different than 5 because I don't think that should be possible. And then we do return h1 cards I. Actually, there is a better way to do it. It's for I for ci in h1 cards. Let's call this c1. If c1 different than h2 cards I, we do return c1 inferior to this guy. And otherwise we just assert false. And the compiler cannot pick up on this. Let's do this. So K is below T, and this is below this, so that's definitely not what we want. Yes, but it's not it's not like alphabetic order. It's like the card order. So let's just do a little global array of this. Cards, not type, but like... Actually, it's not... Oops. Yeah. Calling this cards type is a bit weird. Can I do this? You hand type. And I do cards types card rank, which will be an array of I want to do a lookup array, like in C you can do like Q becomes easy. You do like something like this, and then you can do a value and so on and so on. I would like this. I would like to have this, Mr. Odin, please. I know at some point it mentions that you can do this with enumerations. Enumerated array. Yep, that is kind of what I want, but not really. I would like this, but for a whole type. Pointer struct. Is there a lookup? Nope. Table. Nope. Array. Yes. Fixed array. Array programming. Slices. Come on, give me an example. Nah. Okay, maybe that's not possible. Can I do a map? I don't think I can, but map that goes from a rune to int. And then I don't even know if there is a map literal. There isn't. It's not a compile time yet, of course. I'm gonna do something that is very dirty, but probably does not matter. Gonna make this a local rank like this. Can I do this? This okay. This notation works. So let me get the thing. So it's first A, then Q, then K, then Q, then J, then T. Actually, I'm stupid. Since it's just an order, I can make it an array. I can make it an array, and I just order them. I just order them like this, and whoever gets the highest indices wins. Expected type is I need to declare a constant, and this needs to be an rune array, and I need new lines. So it's A, K, Q, J, T, and then just the digits until 2. Okay, let's just do this. Actually, it's the reverse order. Let's do pick. And now let's make a Vim macro, because why not? I like to have fun in my life. Up, 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 up. Fuck, that didn't work. Let's do it again. QQ. That's macro, right? Then insert, comma. Then this, real comma, this, go back there, and then Q to terminate the macro, and then thank you. And I can do for this. And that is exactly what I want. Actually, I'm stupid because this is the complete opposite. But now I have the macro. So it needs to be this way. I'm getting myself confused. So 7 macro Q. Now I can do this and macro Q again. And now we're Gucci. Never say we're Gucci again in your life, please. This tea is really terrible. Ugh. And now I can just do search in a slice. Let's see, can I search? Is there like a in this max index? Find the index of the first maximum element in the slice. Max index mixing this, it doesn't matter. Is there just a regular index thing? Or find, maybe, simpler? No. Okay, max index it is. Then we do, if they are different, we return slice, max. Yes, okay, let's just, it's like that, this way. And we do, okay, I call this a rank, but C1 rank is equal to slice max index of, and that's good in card rank of C1, and then we have C2, yes, rank, and it's actually just copy paste this, and then copy this, and then copy this, and copy this, and then return C1 rank less than C2 rank. Okay, and here I think I need to make slices. Max index is not declared by slice. Where am I? I am in slice. Oh, and I have... Oh, did I? So confused. Oh, max index is not declared by slice, isn't it? Max index, slice. Did I make a typo? Slice, max. Slice, index. Okay. Maybe that's newer? I don't know. I'm just gonna check. And can I blame? I'm not even sure if I will be able to do this. Yes, 2 weeks ago. I mean, yeah, right. That's not when it was added. Oh no, it was added then that way. 2 weeks ago, meaning it probably doesn't exist in my version of Odin. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm curious to look at the internal implementation of the standard library of Odin actually. Require results in max proc. Where increasing type. Yeah, I saw this is some kind of restriction at compile time that you can do on the generics. Type is ordered. Optional okay. If len 0. Min value, max value. Yeah, it just looks like very Sane functions. It's unfortunate that they don't put these kinds of comments with a very small example would be nice. I mean, it's like just the name of the function is pretty explanatory most of the time, but still, if you're tired, you know, sometimes it's nice. Is there another index function I can use? Like a find or oh, linear search. That's probably good enough. Yes, that's very good. That's even better. Linear search up, and there is a. It's optional, but in my case, it shouldn't be optional. So or else OS exit 1. Cannot slice array value is not addressable. It's better. Cannot determine polymorphic type from into okay. And I cannot make it a slice. Cannot slice array value is not addressable. Okay. I wonder because this is like not really a value. It's like replaced at compile time, I think. But can I make it a value? I can. That's also cool that you can still have static global arrays. Okay, let's see. So the K was after. That's nice. The Q was after. That's very nice as well. Let's compute the final thing. And let's make sure that is it really just card by card. And the premier order full house. If you have the same time, a second ordering rule takes effect. Start by comparing the first card. However, then move on to consider the second card initially. Otherwise, continue with then fourth, then fifth. Okay, no, that seems as simple as this. Okay, let's look at my thing. That's correct. That is KK is stronger, yes. That's rank 2. That's rank 3. That's rank yes, okay. And now we could determine the wing 2 times the bidding of. Okay, let's do this quickly. And so and we have to addition them at the end. So let's do what for I h in and I plus 1 times h bid, and we sum that s plus equals this. Then we int n part 1 this sum. Hop. Int has no field bid. What would I call it? Ah, I did call it that. Ah, yes, no. It's Odin, so the index comes after. That is the correct result. Let's get my puzzle input. Alright, let's get all this. Copy paste, X clip. X clip into inputs. And then let's change the inputs, Odin run, and let's copy paste that and pray. Up, up. Okay, that's the right answer. No, to make things a little more interesting, the elf introduces one additional rule. Now, J cards are jokers, wild cards that can act like whatever card would make the hands the strongest possible type, the strongest possible. To balance this, J cards are now the weakest individual card, weaker even than the two. The other cards stay in the same order. Okay, that's a bit annoying. J card can pretend to be whatever card is best for the purpose of determining hand type. For example, Q2 is now considered 4 kind because okay. I think I can just do like a bunch of loops, but there could be like multiple J's in a thing. Let's do this already. J, where this guys becomes this. And can we do a function that is hand type with joker, which is proc, same thing with cards, rune, and it returns cards type, and here let's make it joker like this, and we just do we just do for C in cards, and let's do quickly I as well because we'll need to modify it. If C is equal to J, then we can do a slightly recursive thing where we let's put that here. If it's J, we do a for loop. We do for replacement for replacement in cards no rank, can I call this joker? Yes, but we ignore the joker just to loop over all of them, and let's remove the indentation and do continue. Yes, that's fine. For replacement, and what we do is cards I is equal to replacement. Then we do hand type joker on this, and we do possible cards is a dynamic array of slice of room. Yes, and it we can append possible cards. We can append cards. And we need to put the sorting function. Huh. Let's do n-type joker of cards. Actually, we only need one replacement card. Is just an empty slice. Can it be nil? I think it's okay. Yes. I mean, yeah, we also need the type, which is n type, cards type. Yes, that's just high card. And declare name high card. And we do t like this, and we can just replace I with. Do we replace it with? Not sure. And we do if t is greater. Let's just or equal to replacement card types. We do replacement card is equal to. Can I do slice copy clone? Clone, and it allocates. That's nice. Hello. Hello. Okay. Seems to be back, but I think I made my computer crash. Not sure how I did that, but alright. That's very strange. Maybe I should just make, because I don't want it to like explode. Just because so I said what 13 exponent 5. That's a lot, but like if I limit it to 3, because we know that if we have like 5j, it's always gonna be like what 5 of a kind. If there is 4j, it's always gonna be 4 of a kind. So we can already rule those out. And power of 3 is not that bad, so it's okay. So we just do slice Kunz cards j cards j joker Kunz if joker Kunz is equal to 4, 5, we just return 5 of a kind, and if joker count is 4, we can return 4 of a kind. Oh wait, it can be that Actually, it's gonna be 5 of a kind, since no matter what the other letter is, the other card is it's gonna mimic it, so it's always gonna be 5. So this can be Joker is 5 or yes, like this. And let's put small comments. Void the 13 exponent 5 combinations up straight. Is it still? Oh, okay, that's better now. And let's try it with the example. No, go away. Up. Input example. That seems to be correct still. Yes, that is. Let's copy paste this, which is actually part 2. Yes, that's the right answer. Okay, I still need to do day 8 and day 5 part 2, but I'm traumatized, so this one will wait. Alright. Yeah, sometimes, yeah, probably there is just a better way of doing all of this to avoid testing every single possibility. But I can't be bothered, so just dirty trick. But it works, so that's nice. Still have to figure out how to print out both answers at the